Hello guys, this is the first video about how to create a blogger website. This video will be in a playlist that help you step by step to create a wonderful website like this. First, as you see, it's a wonderful website with wonderful theme. Also you have a black and white theme, day and night. Soon we will create like this website. First we need to create a Google account that help us to create a blogger website. After you create a Google account or simply sign with your own account, Google account, we go to blogger.com. Okay. After you create your blog, then simply after you create your blog, you must select the account that you want to create the blog with it. I choose this account. Enter the title of the blog. Add your address for the blog spot. Okay, save. Now you will see you can click on view blog spot. As you see, that is the default view for the blogger. Soon we will change it with a wonderful theme and more. So please keep in touch. That's the first video about how to create a wonderful blogger website. Thank you for watching. Your host, Tech.